There are over 300 breeds of dogs. There are an astonishing number of dog breeds in the world. Today, there are over 300 officially recognized dog breeds. These breeds developed over time to serve different regions and purposes. From large dogs to small dogs, working dogs to family companions, the variety is remarkable. For instance, there are shepherds for herding, golden retrievers for service work, and chihuahuas for companionship, all with their own unique traits. Understanding the diversity of dog breeds can help you appreciate your dog even more. Siberian Huskies are highly resistant to cold and excel at running long distances. Siberian Huskies are built for cold climates. Siberian Huskies, as their name suggests, come from the cold regions of Siberia. They are known for their endurance and ability to run long distances, making them excellent sled dogs. Huskies have a thick coat to protect them from freezing temperatures and are famous for their striking blue eyes and energetic personality. Their ability to run for miles makes them one of the most versatile working dogs. Siberian Huskies are true adventurers, born to brave the cold. Golden Retrievers have a gentle temperament and are often used as guide dogs and service dogs. Golden Retrievers are loved for their gentle and friendly nature. Golden Retrievers are known for their calm and intelligent personality, which makes them ideal for roles like guide dogs and service dogs. They are also skilled at retrieving objects gently with their mouths, which is another reason they excel in assisting people. Their friendly and social nature has made them one of the most popular family pets around the world. They are great with children and get along well with other animals. Golden Retrievers are truly ambassadors of love.